This is Noah, scared of the Roomba machine that's going over there. He's scared of getting too close. Oh, he's scared. The Roomba's coming. He's trying to get to you, Dave.
Come here.
He's scared.
Oh, come here.
Oops.
Come here. There you go. What's in here? That we can't get you up here. No, we can't get you up here, buddy. Let's see.
You can hear it, but we can't see it. Uh-oh, Roomba sounds like it's stuck somewhere. Where's the vacuum, Noah? David, don't let him jump off head first. Where's the vacuum, Noah? Oh, here comes the vacuum.
In the faraway land there lived three wise men. Yep, don't read that one anymore. The stable in Bethlehem was safe and warm. Mary and Joseph served the stable with the innkeeper's animals. No? Alright.
Oh. Careful now. Where's the vacuum, Noah? He's all scared. Look at him, he's peeking over the table. Oh, let's go back to Daddy.
There you go, just squeeze by.
Oh. It's okay, Noah. Where's the vacuum? It's okay. Yes, that's the vacuum stand. Where's the vacuum, Noah?